Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to guide you through the main functions of HPM drilling rigs. Whether you're operating a 55B long reach like the one you see here, or a model with a parallelogram system, the basic functions are the same. The base is a Caterpillar, which offers maximum comfort and guarantees worldwide service and assistance. This tutorial will give you all the information you need to get familiar with the monitors and controls so you can operate any HPM model safely and efficiently. Ready to get started? Let's go! Understanding the monitors. First, let's look at the monitors inside the cabin. This is the CAT monitor, where you can find all the performance data and troubleshooting codes for the excavator itself. You can browse through the pages to check pump performance, engine diagnostics, change camera settings, set radio preferences, and adjust the climate control. Next to it is the HPM Monitor, which control all the functions of the drill rig. I'll start by explaining what you're seeing on the screen. Mast Verticality Indicator. This indicator shows the position of the head mast, in yellow, relative to the mast base, in gray. Imagine you're looking at the machine from above. If I move the head mast forward, the yellow area will move forward, and vice versa. The same applies to the inclination angle indicators. They will change their values in degrees based on the mast's movements. Rotary performance. The center of the screen shows the rotary's performance. Here you'll find a torque graph, a pressure graph, and a gear indicator that shows which gear you're drilling in, from 1 to 10 for work gears and 11 to 20 for spin-off gears. Below this is the rotary's current speed in RPM. To increase efficiency and productivity, the operator should try to find the right gear to keep the pressure low and the torque high. Winch information. Below the rotary graph, you'll find the winch information, speed and depth. On the far right, you'll see the indicators for the auxiliary winch, main winch, and crowd. Hole progress indicator. Let's say we need to drill a hole 10 feet deep. We access the setup from this button and set the desired depth to 10 feet. The computer will immediately show the position of the tool, indicated in green, relative to the desired depth, indicated in orange. Once the desired depth is reached, the green bar will meet the orange, filling the graph. This means you can move on to the next hole. Tool filling indicator. This is set on the same page as the desired depth. You input the height of the tool. While you're drilling, the graph will show the percentage of tool filling. Machine height and reach. If you're working on a site where you can't exceed 20 feet of height, you can set 20 feet as the maximum height on this page. As you get closer to that height, the graph will move into the red zone. Swing indicator. At the very bottom, you'll find the swing indicator. You can set the 0 at the center of the hole. Based on the swing movements, the indicator will show the position of the turret relative to the hole. Now let's move on to the machine's controls. Right joystick. Push down to crowd push. Pull up to crowd pull. Left, rotary clockwise. Right, rotary counterclockwise. Top button, gear up. Bottom button, gear down. Thumb wheel, pulling it together with the joystick. High-speed crowd pull on machines where available. Rear button, rotary spin-off gear. Override button. Left joystick, down to main, winch down. Up to main, winch up. Right to, swing right. Left to, swing left. Automatic return to the drilling point. Horn. Thumb wheel forward, auxiliary winch down. Thumb wheel back, auxiliary winch up. Let's move on to the keyboard. To activate the levers 1, 2, and 3, you need to hold the button 1 and move lever 1 to activate the boom forward to boom down and backward to boom up. Lever 2 is used to activate the left tilt cylinder, forward to open it and backward to close it. Lever 3 is used to activate the right tilt cylinder, forward to open it and backward to close it. Additional functions. Automatic rig up. When pressing this button 2 and operating the second lever, the machine automatically moves the mast forward or backward within the safe zone, following the axis with the boom. Automatic mast leveling. Once the mast is in working position, when pressing the button 3, the machine will level the mast automatically. Automatic return to 0. Move the machine to the desired drilling point and hold the button 6 to set the digging point. Once setted, the screen will show you 0.0 on the swing indicator. Once enabled, this function allows the use of the automatic return to the drilling point. With the tool to the ground level, press and hold the button 12 to reset the depth meter. Once setted, the screen will show you 0.0 on the depth indicator. Use button 5 to activate 7, 8, 9, 10 buttons for the headmast movements. These are used to open and close the headmast and the auxiliary winch arm on machine where available. Use button 11 to activate 7, 8, 9, 10 buttons for the transport movements. Open and close the rotary and the mast extension on machine where available. Thanks for choosing HPM and have a safe and productive workday. You're now ready to operate your HPM drilling rig with confidence. Remember that this tutorial is a general guide. For specific details and safety procedures, always consult the HPM operator's manual for the specific model you are using, as some functions or controls may vary depending on the machine. See you in the next video.